सो वेलकम टू अवर चैनल गाइस। आज का हमारा टॉपिक होने वाला है इमरजेंसी ड्रग्स और उसके मेन पर्टिकुलर उसके जो यूजेस होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं। सो वीडियो चालू करने से पहले आपको एक छोटा सा रिमाइंडर इज दैट प्लीज डू शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल। तो सबसे बड़ा ड्रग है इंजेक्शन एट्रोपिन। ये एक्चुअली यूज करते हैं इन द इवेंट ऑफ कार्डियक अरेस्ट और ये ऑल्सो यूज करते हैं एनाफ्लेक्टिक शॉक को ट्रीट करने के लिए और ये यूज करते हैं ब्लीडिंग को कंट्रोल करने के लिए। उसके अलावा जो अस्थमा के पेशेंट है जब उन पेशेंट में बाकी सब उनके ट्रीटमेंट वर्क नहीं करते तब इंजेक्शन एड्रेनलिन वहां पे भी यूज कर सकते हैं।
नेक्स्ट इज दैट इंजेक्शन एड्रेनलिन और वी कैन से इंजेक्शन नॉरएपिनेफ्रिन। इट इज यूज्ड टू इंक्रीज heart rate. We can say it is used to treat a critically low blood pressure. Next is calcium gluconate. It is used to treat hypocalcemia, hyperkalemia, also used to treat magnesium toxicity. Next is soda bicarbonate. It is used to treat severe metabolic acidosis, which means the pH is less than 7.1. Also used to treat hypercalcemia, and it is an antidote for tricyclic antidepressant overdose and also used to treat cocaine toxicity and other poisoning also. Next is injection amiodarone. It is an anti-arrhythmic medication used to treat or prevent irregular heartbeat. जो उसके एग्जाम्पल होते हैं वो होते हैं VT means ventricular tachycardia, VF means ventricular fibrillation, AF means atrial fibrillation and PSVT means paroxysmal supraventricular tachycardia. Also it is used to treat wide complex tachycardia. Next is 25% or 50% dextrose. It is used to treat hypoglycemia, hyperkalemia, also diabetic ketoacidosis. Next is injection nitroglycerin. It is used to treat, or we can say it is used to decrease accelerated hypertension and chest pain in angina pectoris case. Next is injection succinylcholine. It is used to induce short-term paralysis for tracheal intubation in the case of emergency. Next is injection dopamine. It acts as a stimulant drug which is used to treat low blood pressure, low heart rate and also used to treat cardiac arrest. Now comes to injection dobutamine. It is used to treat heart failure caused by either cardiac surgery or septic and cardiogenic shock, and also in case of cardiac heart failure to increase cardiac output. Now comes to injection of furosemide. It is used to treat hyperkalemia and hypertension. It increases urine output to treat, or we can say in case of fluid overload in the body. Next is injection lidocaine, or we can say xylocaine. It is an anti-arrhythmic drug and also it is a local anesthetic used to treat ventricular arrhythmias, cardioversion, cardiac catheterization. If injection amiodarone it is not available or contraindicated. Also used to treat acute myocardial infarction and digoxin poisoning. Injection adenosine. It is used to treat, or we can say it is used to revert supraventricular tachycardia. Injection hydrocortisone. We can say it is an antihistamine drug which is used in the treatment of autoimmune diseases like skin diseases and also in case of asthma. Now comes to injection vasopressin. It used to decrease blood pressure for adults in case of shock. Also we can say it is a last resort for increasing blood pressure. Injection midazolam. It is emergency treatment for prolonged seizures. Then injection naloxone. It is used to treat, or we can say it is antidote for opioid poisoning. Injection diazepam. It is used for the treatment of prolonged seizures. Injection paracetamol. It is used to relieve fever and also used for the decreasing mild to moderate pain. Injection methylprednisolone. It is used for a treatment in severe allergic reaction or immune system disorder. Injection heparin. It is used to prevent blood clots in the body. Injection aminophylline. It is indicated in the bronchospasm associated with COPD and asthma. Injection phenergan. It is used to treat, or we can say it is used to decrease nausea and vomiting. Also used for sedation in adults who are anxious. Also used for severe allergic reactions and in also blood transfusion reactions. Injection dexamethasone. It is used to treat severe allergic reactions. Injection darbepoetin. It is used to treat asthma, chest tightness and difficulty in breathing. Now injection Avil. It is used to treat severe allergic reactions. Injection diclofenac. It is used to treat or we can say it is used to decrease pain. Also, it work as an opioid analgesic. Then injection potassium chloride. It is a treatment for hyperkalemia, and also known as KCL. Then injection digoxin. It is used for treatment in heart failure, or we can say acute MI, and also in the treatment of arrhythmias. Next is injection palm. It is an antidote for OP poisoning, that is organophosphate poisoning. Next is injection mifentermine. It is used to decrease severe low blood pressure. So ये था आज का हमारा वीडियो इमरजेंसी ड्रग्स और उसके मेन यूजेस के ऊपर. आई होप यू लाइक इट. सो अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.